Preferred vibrations can come from the bushing that's in the rear tailshaft housing. And so here's the tailshaft housing I took off of the truck. Prior owner loved the mid-70s Mopar blue and painted pretty much everything Mopar blue. So anyway, so you can't really see in there, but there is quite a bit of play in the output shaft with the yoke on, and it really shouldn't be rattling around in there like that. So I'm hoping that that's the source of the vibration that I've been getting. You can buy the entire tailshaft housing with a new bushing installed. I'll show you this here. So that's the new bushing right there. You will need a pair of snap ring type pliers, but ones that have like a flat end on it to push the end of the snap ring apart. And these are old snap-on pliers that I bought off of eBay for a relatively reasonable price. And so that is what has to be really spread apart to release the tail shaft housing from the bearing. This is the output shaft bearing here, and that groove right there is what that snap ring holds in place. But I had to remove the snap ring from the existing housing and transfer it over to the refurbished. All right, so I got this fully seated, and I don't have it bolted in yet, but you know, you can tell the snap ring is lined up with that groove right here is what you want, and I moved around with screwdrivers just to make sure that that was in place properly. The other thing that I didn't mention is that hopefully you marked the speedometer gear where it was located, and you can't really see here, but I scratched off a clean line right there to line up with the nub on the housing, so I know which orientation that was in before I took it off. So anyways, all right, that's it for now. And if you have any suggestions, tips, tricks, things I did wrong, please let me know. Comment. Appreciate it. Talk to you later.